Hello, this is Mr. Kent of Mrkent.com. And a couple of weeks ago, I had ordered a Bebop 2 Power, and I got it through Amazon. And when it got here, I noticed that the box rattled a little bit. That was kind of a red flag. And then when I opened up the box, there was the tape seal was broken. And then when I opened up all the container all the way, I could see that this was not a brand new drone. So I decided, okay, I'm not going to get a drone. Well, then I'm getting people asking questions which I can't answer because I don't have a Bebop 2 Power. So I decided I can't handle this. I've got to be able to answer questions because it's just my nature. I've been a teacher for many years, and so it's just that's the way it is. So I got so frustrated that I went ahead and I ordered another one. I tried to order on a Sunday straight from Parrot, and for whatever reason, it didn't work. So then my wife said, well, just go back and get another one at Amazon. So I have a sweet wife, you know. But anyway, so today it got here. First thing I want to do is rattle the box. It's shaking inside of this box, but it's not rattling. So the next thing I want to do is open it up. Okay, so I'm hoping this is a good one. So we'll see. We'll open that up. You know, I don't do box openings because they don't make a lot of sense to me. But I want to, if this one's a dud, I want to show you what a dud looks like. Whereas, if it's a good one, and I hope it is, then I'll be a happy camper. Okay, so we open this up, and we have the packing around it. We'll throw that over there. We'll take this out of the big box, and we'll get rid of the big box. Now we're going to set this down, and I'm looking at the plastic tape seal, and that was the second red flag from the last one, and the seal is not broken. So, get my knife, and we'll bring it across here. And then we'll open it up. See, how's it? Oh, this opens up the other way. Oh, there we go. Look at there. It's got the quick setup instructions. Oh, and everything is covered with plastic, and everything is shiny. And looks like that's the charger. Put that over there. This is battery number 1, and we'll put him over here. And this appears to be taped on. Suppose I put my knife away already? Yeah, I did. So we'll get the knife back out. And for now, we'll just cut that tape on both sides. And pull that. Does it tape more places than? Oh, I'm cutting the tape in the wrong place. See, I was born with only partial brain. No, I'm just teasing. Okay. I was born with shaky hands. I've had shaky hands from the time I was in, I guess, probably the end of grade school, the beginning of junior high school. So there's this battery. Battery number 2. So we'll lay him over here. And of course, I think there's stuff underneath it there. Yeah, so there's the sky controller and the goggles, and everything is here, and it's all brand spanking new. That makes me happy because now I can do some experimenting. I'll tell you one of the things that I'm going to do because I'm so I guess excited about keeping batteries in good shape. One of these batteries it's going to be a control battery. I'm going to just charge it with the Bebop charger. Okay, so that's all. Let's say we'll say this one, and I'll mark them. This one is going to be, this is a control battery. This is a test battery. This one I'm going to use a balanced charger with, and we're going to see over a period of time, we're going to see what the difference is, and see if it makes any difference with this kind of battery. Now, one of the things that we're running into is the balanced charger that I recommended in a video. I might take that video off because I'm finding out from, well, one guy that the LIHV part of it doesn't make any difference, or he can't find it or something. And so I didn't get any charges special for this because I until just, well, I ordered it yesterday. And because I live 40 miles south of Phoenix, and they have an office or a storage, you know, a warehouse in Phoenix, so it got here today. So I'm very happy, and I will be learning everything I can about the Parrot Bebop 2 Power. And I want to thank you for watching my unboxing, probably the only one I'll ever do, and God bless you.